Automatic Concrete Warehouse Floor Seismic Isolation System. Explanation of concrete floor seismic isolation construction. Right and left side 15 meters, depth of 25 meters and 30 centimeters thick. After removing moisture and debris from the concrete, layout is completed by marking the floor with chalk. Exclusive double-sided tape is stuck along the marked lines, and the cell sheets with protective blue film are laid down. First, the protective film is removed, and then the sliding steel plates are laid down on top of the cell sheets. Sliding steel plates are attached together length and width using an exclusive tape. Grease is applied along the border area without a break, thus forming a seal belt. This prevents seepage of water or dust into the crevice between plates, which raises long-term durability. Calculating a 30 centimeter or more increase in the floor width, a 30 centimeter wide form is constructed and rebar laid. A mold is formed so that 5 rectangular spaces are constructed along each side. These become a storage place for future electric jacks. Step by step, the concrete used as the isolation foundation is poured from the perimeter onwards. The leveling, finishing, and burnishing are carried out to standard. Explanation of floor realignment method to original floor position after an earthquake of intensity 6+ or higher is experienced. An electric jack is stored in each of the 5 rectangular spaces prepared on each floor side. At the time of realignment, the jacks in the rectangular spaces push the circumference wall and restore the floor to the original position. The restoration method is explained by this diagram. The maximum gross weight of this automatic warehouse floor with concrete seismic isolation system is 1,500 tons. Since Musulator's friction coefficient is 10%, if the quake is enough to move 150 tons, the floor will move. But with the calculated margin, the 5 50-ton jacks are designed to push 250 tons per side. As shown in the figure, suppose that the floor shifted from the predetermined position in this way after a major earthquake of intensity 6+ or more. First, 2 sets of jacks push from opposing sides and corrects the twist. Next, 5 sets push in the direction of X, and 5 sets also push in the direction of Y, and the floor returns to its predetermined position. Look how the isolated concrete floor moves 1 centimeter, and then look how the floor returns 1 centimeter. The electric jack stored in the rectangular space is removed. In order to prevent stress concentration from the jack, the electric jack is padded on both ends using a steel plate. The hose joint is firmly attached to the electric jack and the hydraulic pump. When the 100-volt power switch is turned on here, the jack will extend out slowly and the isolated concrete floor will move. If it moves 1 centimeter, an electric jack will again be set on the opposite side of the concrete floor. Similarly, it can return 1 centimeter. It is recommended to prepare each year for an emergency by conducting an emergency drill of moving the floor 1 centimeter and then return it 1 centimeter.